Hey everybody, what's going on? Brianne Showman Brown here, physical therapist, CrossFit coach, and wellness coach with Get Your Fix Physical Therapy and Get Your Fix Nutrition. Wanted to address something a little bit different than my normal and more on the discipline side of things. So I cover the fitness, I cover the nutrition, I do a lot on mindset. Wanted to do some on the discipline side of things. So I've had several conversations. Hey Adam. Several conversations this past couple weeks with people on trying to stay organized, trying to stay efficient with their things on a day-to-day basis in order to help them free up time during their day. So there may be a lot of reasons you need to free up time, whether it be, or I should say you want to free up time, whether it be to spend time with your family, whether it be to get a workout in, to get to the gym, you want to start a new activity, you name it. Maybe you just have to get more tasks done at your job. There's a lot of reasons, hey David, that we need to get more done during our day, that we want to become more efficient in our day. So one trick that's helped me do a lot of this is what I call time blocking. And it is literally setting up your schedule during the day in a very efficient manner, planning out your schedule during the day. And this helps for a number of factors. First off, at least for me, I have a plan and I have a schedule. So it's really easy to look at that and stay on task very easily. Because what I do is I literally go through, I write down every hour of the day, of when I know I'm going to kind of start my day and end my day. And I fill in all the different tasks throughout that day that I'm going to work on. And I literally, well, this could help you, David. This could help you. I literally set aside the different time slots for what I need. So I do, if it's a task that I think it's going to take me 2 hours, then I'll block out those 2 hours for that specific task. So it's helpful for a couple of reasons. One, it keeps you on task. So if you're doing one thing and you get a phone call or you get distracted, then you may be in the middle of mid-thought, not really knowing where you were, what you were doing, and then you may start doing something else. I know for a lot of people, they can really get caught up on Facebook and other social media platforms. This is a really good way to avoid that. So I literally block an hour in my morning to catch up on 3:30. You don't have to. That's my schedule, not yours. I literally block out an hour in the morning that I do kind of my Facebook catch-ups. I block out kind of a midday time period that I may catch up on any emails, text messages, Facebook messages. And that's kind of it for my social media, just because I know if I get on there again, it's very easy to get distracted on it and get caught up in what you're doing. So I literally block out those times in my day. Another great reason to do this is it keeps your mind off of what other tasks you have to do. If in your head you know you have these 5 tasks you need to do during the day, you're constantly thinking about those 5 tasks. If you write down on when you're doing all those tasks, you don't even have to think about those other tasks. You can just start working on whatever task it is that hour. When that time is up, you switch tasks to the next one. So it's a really good way just to stay efficient, keep other thoughts out of your head on what else you need to get done or have to get done that day, and just stay on top of what you are currently trying to focus on. Because when you don't have those other thoughts going through your head, it's easier just to focus on that one task that you're dealing with. Another reason this is really good, especially when it comes to trying to get a workout in, is you can essentially, a couple ways. One, you can block time in your day for that. So if you want to try to get to the gym, literally just put that time block in your schedule. And guess what? It'll happen because it's there in your schedule. It has to happen. If you want to shut down at a certain time at night, then literally that's when your schedule stops that day. And that's all the time that you put on that schedule. And after that, you're done for the day. So it's a really good way just to be able to stay efficient with things, stay on top of a schedule, and fit in working out and things like that. Another thing I do with this, especially when I'm doing more of my admin type work, is I do like 25 minutes of work, 5 minutes break, 25 minutes of work, 5 minutes break. That way it gives your mind a chance to rest. It also just gets your eyes off the computer screen. It gets you up and moving around. I stand at my desk a lot, but I know a lot of people sit, so this is a great way just to get up, get moving around. And guess what? You don't have time to get to the gym. You can do a 5-minute short workout. So just in your office or wherever you're at. If you're taking that 5-minute break, you can do some squats, you can do some push-ups, you name it, you can do some body weight stuff. I wish I had that problem, David. I definitely do not shut down well. So doing a 25-minute work, 5-minute break, is a great way to just kind of fit in some activity during your day-to-day life if you don't have a chance to fully block out that time during the day to get to the gym. So a couple thoughts for you on just being more efficient, being productive, figuring out ways to work in exercise into your schedule, and hope that helps some of you guys. Yes, I know, David, it's a shocker. Hope that helps you guys out a little bit. If you have any questions on this, definitely post those below. I'd be happy to answer any questions. If you have comments on this, let me know what you think of it. Let me know what tips you have for staying efficient and organized. I'm sure people could really benefit from seeing any other tips besides just mine. And as usual, if you have any specific questions for me, feel free to reach out to me directly on Facebook Messenger. I'd be happy to have a conversation with you there as well. So hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.